In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices in FreshBooks, a tutorial designed specifically for beginners. This platform offers a straightforward process for freelancers and small business owners to get paid quickly and efficiently. To get started, let's navigate to the FreshBooks website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in FreshBooks in your search engine. Once you've found the official site, click on the link to open the FreshBooks dashboard. With the website open, you'll find a login button prominently displayed at the upper right corner. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Use the email and password you registered with and hit the login button to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, there's also an option to sign up. Once you're logged in, you're on the FreshBooks dashboard, a central hub where you can manage your finances. Look towards the top of the page and locate the Create New button. Go ahead and click on this to bring up a range of options. From here, select Invoice. This selection will lead you to a new screen dedicated to creating your invoice. Next, you'll need to specify the client who will receive the invoice. Click on Select a Client. If you have an existing client saved in your FreshBooks account, you can easily choose them from the list. If this is a new client, simply input their details at this stage. It's essential to ensure that all client information is correct to avoid any delays in payment. Once you've selected or added your client, it's time to outline the specifics of the services or products you're billing for. Click on Add a Line. Here, you'll need to enter a concise description under Item Name. Describe the service or item clearly, as this is what your client will see on the invoice. It's important to be detailed yet concise so your client knows exactly what they are being billed for. After you've entered the item name, go on to specify the quantity and line total. You have the flexibility to add as many lines as necessary should there be multiple items or services involved. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the total sum based on the data you provide, streamlining the process for you. Now it's time to finalize and send your invoice. Look for the Send To option and click on it. Ensure that the client's email address is accurate so the invoice reaches the right inbox. With a final review of all details to ensure accuracy, you're ready to issue the invoice. Finally, click Send Invoice. The invoice will be emailed directly to your client, giving them the information they need to process payment. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an invoice using FreshBooks. With these easy-to-follow steps, managing your financial transactions becomes far less daunting. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial makes your journey with FreshBooks smooth and efficient.